Hey friends, if you're curious about Microsoft Teams and you wish to launch it on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, Microsoft Teams usually exists on your system by default, but there are two versions. One is this complete version, the work or school version, and one is this one, the chat. Okay, so if you just want to access your Teams chat, then you can open it directly. But if you want the work or school version, then you will have to install it from the Microsoft Store. So the Microsoft Store is an icon in the system tray, but if you don't find it here, then search for it in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for Teams in the search bar and then click on Microsoft Teams. And then it's the app with 3000 ratings. Then click on install. You know what, people don't usually use Microsoft Store. I think that this is the best way to install any software, because you can be sure that the software is devoid of any malware and viruses. There is a 99% chance that it will be secure, and other than that, you won't have to go through the launcher and the complete procedure. Simply click on the install button and it will straight away install the app on your system and lead you to the login page. And that's what it's doing. Even more, it is usually quicker to download it through the Microsoft Store. It is more secure, it is quicker, and you can skip the launcher this way. Now let us wait till it is installed. Here it is. Now you can pick your account, or you can log into your account if you haven't already logged into the system. And then you can log into this account or any other account that you are already associated with, and enter your password. And use your authentication to log into it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel. We really need subscribers. If not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on what we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.